Croeso and Wythnos, where this week has seen some major announcements including the UK government budget for 2026 to 27, and a Welsh Conservative debate following that announcement that led to a surprising result. There was also the sentencing of the former Reform UK leader in Wales, Nathan Gill, and the First Minister made a statement on the COVID-19 Enquiry Model 2 reports. Beginning with the most significant news of the week, the UK government budget was announced, albeit significantly earlier than expected, with the Office for Budget Responsibility leaking an overview of some of the major points in the budget half an hour in advance of the Chancellor's announcements. In the budget were several huge announcements, including the abolishment of the two-child benefit cap, to the great relief of Welsh Labour, who had been calling for the cap to be removed for a long while and had faced increasing pressures from the opposition parties in the Senedd as calls continued to be ignored. There are more controversial changes included in the budget as well, such as the Chancellor choosing to freeze income tax thresholds until 2031, meaning as people have pay rises, many will also face higher taxes, as well as levying national insurance on salary sacrifice pension contributions above £2,000. As a result, the director of the IFS has said that she believes that Labour have broken their manifesto promises, and more locally, the Welsh Conservatives tabled a debate in the name of Paul Davies, supported by Plaid Cymru, resulting in a successful motion that emphasised beliefs that the UK government was failing to deliver for the people of Wales. This result is significant, as although symbolic, this motion wouldn't have been able to pass prior to the Enquiry by-election, as Labour had the numbers to secure a deadlock in the vote.
In other news, Nathan Gill, the former leader of Reform UK in Wales, received 10.5 years in prison after being convicted of receiving bribes from a Russian agent to make pro-Kremlin speeches in the European Parliament, with the money he received reaching £40,000. Reform UK have welcomed the verdict, branding Nathan Gill as a traitor to the nation for his actions following the sentencing. In the Senedd, there was also a debate regarding the COVID-19 Enquiry Model 2 report, during which the First Minister, Eluned Morgan, emphasised her support of former First Minister Mark Drakeford for his leadership during the time.
Next week, expect questions to the Cabinet.